Gmmco Nagpur's state-of-the-art hydraulic repair shop has infrastructure, expertise, tooling and parts inventory for quick repairing of all CAT and non-CAT hydraulic cylinders at fair price. The facility has the capacity to perform full-scale repairs including system troubleshooting, cylinder honing, grinding, chrome plating, welding, machining and pressure testing of all hydraulic cylinders. DNA bench can disassemble and assemble hydraulic cylinders. Maximum rotational torque of 4000 kgs ensures correct torque is maintained during assembly of cylinders. An automatic honing machine is capable of reconditioning cylinders up to 3 meter in length and up to 0.3 meter in bore and internal surface finish up to 0.03 micron. Lathe machine has the bed length of 22 feet. Maximum capacity of chuck to hold the job is 1000 mm. Grinding machine with bed capacity 3 meter length and maximum diameter 0.5 meter. The machine is capable of grinding cylinder rods. The accuracy of grinding is 1 micron surface finish. Hydraulic test bench is capable of testing cylinder at maximum pressure of 500 bar and 750 ton load. All repaired cylinders tested with recommended pressure load and cycle test to ensure no internal and external oil leakage is absorbed. Exceptional quality control. The repaired hydraulic cylinders are bench tested in a contamination controlled environment. Faster turnaround times. Dedicated service engineers ensures each of the cylinder rebuild process is strictly adhered, minimizing repair time. Expert advice. Caterpillar repair guidelines are followed to help customer make informed repair versus replace decisions.